The most common way that we find ourselves working in a hoarding situation is not a direct call about hoarding at all, but rather we've responded to another service. We've been called out after a fire. We've been called out for a water damage situation. And as we arrive at the property, we realize that there is a hoarding situation that we're going to have to deal with as well. So at that point, we know that we've got structural drying, water extraction, fire cleanup, deodorization. Those are the services that we were called to perform, but really we've got a bigger issue. And we'll often take a step back at that time and quickly assess the support team that might be available to help us with the root cause of the behaviors that cause the hoarding to manifest itself. So we may be working with family members if we can identify them, and often they're very much aware of the situation. We may be trying to find out if the client is active in the church, if there's a social agency that could help, and also we've got to be really mindful of the insurance implications. So we're often going to be working with the insurance carrier and the claims staff to handle this situation as delicately and completely professionally as we possibly can.